Okay, so we just refreshed everything because it looks like we kind of got a little frozen. So we're just going to go back into the client's file and we're going to send off those letters that we just generated. Hopefully they saved. We can go into letters and statuses tab and we can see if those letters saved. I don't think that they did. So let's take a look. No, they did not. So what we're going to do is we're just going to generate those letters again and hit save pending item. Again, we're just going to be handling the goodwill adjustment letters for right now to ask for a goodwill adjustment because they do have some proof as to why they would have some late payments on their report lately. And again, anything that you have to support your claim, please send it in to the credit bureau so that way they can correct it or do it whatever it is that's required in order to get that information updated. So we're going to select letter recipient, the creditor, and that's going to generate all of our creditor letters. Okay, let's go ahead and take this one off because it's kind of duplicated, and then I'm just going to hit save and continue to print. We're going to go ahead and just do round 3. Actually, this is going to be round 1 with the letter. So doctor note late pay. We're going to just categorize these as a late pay, save, and we're going to go ahead and select the letters that we want to send, and we're going to go ahead and attach a proof document. So we have a document that we're going to grab from the doctors, and what you have to do is use a ping or a JPEG. So the easiest way is to just take a screenshot of the letter if you have like a PDF. So we're just going to take a screenshot just like this, and we're just going to put doctor proof. Okay, go back into Credit Repair Cloud, add new document. We're going to upload the image that we just took of that doctor's proof, and we're going to attach it to each of the letters going to the creditor. So you have to attach the proof document to each item. And there's no guarantee that they will say yes, but there's no guarantee that they will say no. So the only thing that we can do is ask, okay? So what we're gonna do is just hit next. And we're gonna send that out with the cloud mail. Confirm and send. So now we just have the rest of the accounts left to sweep off the credit report. We did the inquiries. The inquiries I'm actually going to print in mail because we have some additional proof documents and we have a lot of pages to send. So we're going to print those and mail those. But let's go ahead and get through the rest of the accounts so that way we can finish up this report. So now you see these ones are in production. Let's go ahead back into tab 3 where we're going to generate some more letters for this client. Round 2 or higher. Let's do the credit bureau letters now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find these accounts that we are disputing. And we're just going to add the personal information to this as well. Even though, like I said, it's still under orange because we recently disputed it. So it's not going to come back up in red until you re-import the credit report again. And you only get one credit report every 30 days. So we're just going to add that to the items that we're disputing. And in this case, it's going to be a credit bureau letter. And we're just going to be doing a simple letter here, adding all these items. All right, go over to Experian, do the same thing. And I always like to reformat the account so again it saves on space and it doesn't look like it's coming from Credit Repair Cloud, because you want to format your letters differently than everybody else out there. All right, so the last thing that we have to do is just save these for later so we can print them and mail them off to the credit bureaus. Just going to put disputes, save. And if you wanted to go ahead and just print them off now, you could. But since we've already disputed pretty much everything from this client's file, what we're going to do is go up to the batch print. Go to batch print. So again, the little letter, go over to batch print. We'll do that again. The little letter here, pending batch print. It doesn't look like you can click on it, but you can. It's grayed out. So there's cloud mail alerts and there's pending batch print. So we're going to go to pending batch print, go to batch print, and that's where we're at now. And I'm just going to go ahead and I am going to select the letters that I want to print for this particular client. Okay, and then what we're going to do is just going to hit download and print selected letters. We're going to go ahead and hit open to PDF. This is going to open up another tab for you to go ahead and print these letters out. Now, if you are new and you have not really had much experience with the batch print, you want to go ahead and go to this little arrow right here where you're going to download this file and just type in the initials and then print. So at least you can save it in case it doesn't print, you run into like, oh, I'll print it later. Or maybe you're trying to have, some other sort of way to upload it to the credit bureaus, faxing it, whatever. But you can fax it to Equifax, you can upload it to Experian. Those are all options for you as well. I just print and mail because it is the quickest for us. Now, that's it. So we have completely swept the credit file. We have disputed everything with the credit bureaus. We've disputed things with the creditors. We've asked for goodwill adjustments. Now it's just a waiting game. Once we have sent out our disputes, we want to make sure that we are paying attention to what's being sent back to us in the mail, the responses that we are getting from the credit bureaus and the creditors, so that way you can respond accordingly. So again, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you have liked, subscribed, and leave me a comment below letting me know what you have found most valuable about this video. And please make sure to watch the entire Credit Repair Cloud training playlist where you can learn how to repair credit for yourself and clients using the app Credit Repair Cloud, and of course apply these same concepts to credit repair with or without the app. And if you haven't checked out the information in the description, go ahead and check out the links below in the description. Coming up next is the Credit Repair Cloud playlist.